walk in and expecting like some trap music, but I got 2 chess players. Sophisticated crew right here.
I don't know, I just kind of stressed out about this one. I really want to do it. I really
What's up, White Power?
What are you gotta come around the corner, you got a camera!
I heard you coming.
I'm here for my casting, is that the couch?
Yeah, casting couch. Come sit down and tell me what college you go to. Tell me about yourself.
Just trying to earn some money.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Here, let me put this down. Okay. I need you to tell me what you think about this hand.
What are you willing to do for this job? I just really want to go to school and I don't want to pay for it.
How about these gloves?
Ooh, your camouflage.
Camouflage. Okay, so last question. The letter P. What does it remind you of?
Penis.
Okay, so I'm editing. Nick walks in. What are those positive?
What the hell is this for?
With 3 guys. Well, two and you.
That's just obscene, dude.
Disgusting. I think. Do you have your razor here with you?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't. Let's go check it out. What do you think of the trailer? Look.
Ooh.
Right?
Wow.
It's black.
Yeah.
Black like his soul.
It's like your soul.
Black the way you like it. Not bad for 2 Asians, a white guy, and a Mexican doing this. Not bad, I must say. Let's see what you got here. Oh, America! America!
Got my new tie downs because I bought new ones because I thought.
I thought you lost one? But they match your
Now they match,
razor
yeah,
now. So badass, huh? Have you guys seen this video? Okay, since you guys are watching the vlogs again, Nick and I did a really sick video of us at King of the Hammers. Yeah. I'm gonna link it right here and right here and right. Just watch it because not a lot of people watched it, and we're both really proud of the edit. So I think it was very cinematic. So go watch it, okay? Let me play you a clip right now. What's up and good morning, everyone. Where the heck? One day Vegas, one day San Jose, the next day we're in the freaking desert. By the way, Nick almost flipped this in that video. Remember?
Yeah, oh yeah.
And we jumped it too, by the way. Yeah, that was.
Kicked my ass after watching that.
Oh, now you're recording.
Now I'm recording.
Yeah, there you go. Now just record us.
Oh, okay.
America! America has a camera on. GPS guys here. Let's try to upload this way. Oh, by the way, my back hurts today. I skipped the gym yesterday after a Korean barbecue sesh yesterday.
Oh yeah.
I couldn't do it.
I overate way too much. And when I hit to stop it.
Same button. Same button. Turn it off.
C3.
So inside that taped off wall, thank you, Thomas. That taped off wall right there, it's gonna be all black. So at AutoCon, we're bringing silver Sharpies, and you get to actually sign the walls wherever you guys want on that side. To kind of keep it unique. Yeah, silver and gold or bronze, yeah. Orale, So we're gonna play a little friendly competition here at the office. Whose gun is this? Yours? Okay, this is Thomas's gun. And I think John has one too. You have a gun too? Okay, okay. So let's make it fair. Let's all use Thomas's gun. Advantage is Thomas, because he knows this, the aim. We only get 2 shots each.
That's ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous. We're gonna shoot a bottle. And the losers, so there's gonna be many losers.
2 winners
have
and
to
2
do
losers.
20 push-ups.
Oh, I can't even do like 5.
Damn! So at least we get to play, but we're healthy at the same time.
Okay.
I don't know what health is. I don't believe in that.
Done. All right, let's go. Woo! First shot. Number 2. Woo!
What the hell? That one
Damn, 2 for 2. All right. Number 2 player, John, aka Shark Boy. All right. Ooh, no shot. Okay.
What the fuck? I'm just kidding.
Okay. Ah. Okay, shot number 2. Oh shit, upside down. Okay. Some office games.
Hits it, I'm gonna be like.
Oh, no bueno. Hey Shark Boy, I think the object of the game is to knock the bottle over.
I'm going home.
Bye. What are you doing down here, huh?
Fuck. I can't
Low
reach
life.
I can't even.
Next, we've got Robert. Ooh.
No bumper Rob.
No bumper Rob. Easy. Oh, no, easy. Woo! Cider, you're just a G. You're a G. Ontario, eh? Got this. We got this. We got this. Joke's on you, bitches. I win anyways. Can you imagine? Oh, too high.
Alright, I can't. Oh, mams.
Where'd it go?
Way over there.
Oh, shit.
Huh? It passed me?
It's not fair. I
Right
quit.
over your head. It's
I'm going
in the
home.
blue bucket list. I got it.
Well, I lost anyway, so 20 push-ups. Here you go. All right, boys. Oh, look at it. He gets to watch us like a boss. So we initially said 20 push-ups for the losers, but we can say 10 push for every ball you miss.
Okay.
So we only missed one, so 10 for us. 20 for you, homie.
I have confidence in you.
Wait, Edgar, did you want to play? Ooh, hold on. We got Edgar. We got Edgar.
Oh, I thought it was beer.
No.
Fuck that.
You gotta do push-ups or you miss, Edgar. 10 per ball. Look at this. You can shoot any way you want. Sideways. You want to hop in a car, we can drive through past it too if you want to. Whatever you're used to. Oh, 10.
Hit it.
10. Oh, you got it, 20 push-ups. Damn, Thomas, you can enjoy us.
No, 20, because we missed both.
20, 10, 20, 10.
I only agree with 10.
Nah. Ready?
10 and a cheeseburger.
10 and a cheeseburger.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Just crank them out. Go. Oh, shit.
God, goddamn. I'm not playing this shit no more.
What's up, Phil? Say what's up.
How you doing,
Throw
buddy?
some gang signs, Phil. Throw some gang signs. Woo! Do you like it?
Yeah, you painted black.
Yeah, no longer teal.
Much more stealth.
This one, yeah. You can come in, you can rob people with this now.
Make sure you leave some reflectors on it.
Yeah, we did. We did.
Especially in the back.
Yeah. I'm trying to convince the guys to go bow fishing with me, where imagine us walking upstream, right? In a line like this, and all of us will have a bow. And we're just walking up the stream like this, and we're just, and then we have fish.
Someone's gonna get
And
caught with an arrow.
then we just,
Someone's
taking
foot.
Look, I just,
Arrow to the knee.
you know the firing line, don't cross the firing line.
Dude, you're in a stream. What if you fall?
Oh, he says noodling, so we can catfish. I'm catfish.
Oh, shit. Take out Mike.
Have a catfish.
Catfisting.
Just come up like this. We gotta have redneck names. My name's Billy Bob. Hi again. Uber pickup. Hello. I brought you snacks, Iris. I love you. Oh my gosh, your ears are too cute. Hi, America. Hello, I love you. If you guys are wondering, we are actually heading to Aaliyah's doctor's appointment. So I'm still in mid-editing for the vlog from, well, it's uploaded already by the time you guys watch this, but I was still editing a video, coordinating the guys, and then I gotta run to a doctor's office really quick for Aaliyah, and then we'll be back to edit, and then also we gotta try to negotiate that one warehouse deal, or it's one that retail deal that Iris was doing. A lot going on today. Ready? Let's go. Aaliyah, the doctor's appointment was good. Why do you have so many crusties on your nose? Drool. Mommy. Ready for lunch?
Mommy.
Where's your nose? That's your nose. Aaliyah's arch enemy. Mike. This is the other Mike.
Say hi.
He owns this joint. Oh, there we go. See?
It's okay, baby. Look, we played it. Come here.
We have the strangest baby. She loves veggies, and she's picking out all the peas to eat them. I don't know, like adults that like peas. I think that's X, isn't it?
I like peas.
Yeah, but like we learned to like peas. She just likes peas now. An interesting baby. Wow. Look at this fancy right here. It's one of the guys at the restaurant. Dude, it's soda nice.
Okay, man. I see how you do. Caught slipping, bro. Caught slipping.
Back in my office. Gotta finish the edit. So we went to Aaliyah's doctor's appointment. Went to a quick lunch back here. And then back to editing. Father life, business life, a work-life balance between the two. We talked about that like a couple of videos ago. You guys ready? Want to see the cinematic real quick? Let's see what kind of cinematic you guys want to watch. Let's watch the beginning one.
Let me tell you this. The older you do get, the more rules you're going to try to get you to follow. You just got to keep living, man. L-I-V-I-N.
Ooh, that's smooth. All handheld. All handheld. Okay, let's get back to this grind. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, transition. Thomas is gonna show us something. We just received a special shipment I've been waiting on for a while.
What is this? Pop it open.
What is that? What is that? Woo! Let me see the cap. Woo!
Man, this is like perfect thermos for like bringing your soup in, bring some pho to work.
Pho to work. What were you like today?
I know, right?
Whoa, what's up, bro? What's good?
Checking out the backpack? Yeah. Oh, he's got a Chevy.
Everywhere's a car meet.
Yeah, everywhere's a car. Yeah, he knows. He knows. Moment of truth. She needs to be backing up. Who do we have here?
She is. I can see it from the
there
reflection.
It's backed in. Who's here?
There's HIDs on it.
It's
the kids.
Who that? Let's go. He's looking. What is this? What's going on? Don't be awkward, John.
No,
Don't be awkward. Act natural. Act natural. That's natural.
Oh, look, he's doing push-ups. Okay, well, this is what we do on the daily. Acting natural.
We're the bros that make shit awkward. So I guess Thomas has a lady bringing him lunch.
Yeah.
So we're just, you know.
Oh yeah. Not just any lunch though.
Oh, it was like
special.
That's like cultured food. We won't make things awkward, I swear. You can drop this off at Amazon. What time is it? 2:24. All we can do is plan, right? Oh! Hi, cutie. I love you. Oh, she kissed my hand. Hey, back to work. Hey, Rob, say hi to the vlog.
Hey guys.
I'm on the phone with Rob Dom, guys. We're talking about some super secret squirrel stuff. I'll fill you guys in a little bit. I just got this video from Iris. This is Aaliyah and Iris right now playing at that place that we usually go to. Check it out. Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
What up, bro? Hello.
Hey, guess what?
Hello.
Satisfaction.
Hi.
Aaliyah, you got this.
Are you cute?
What we do.
Hi, Papa.
We support each other through the good times. Does it feel good, Aaliyah?
Say hi, Aaliyah. Hi. We're gonna actually go get ice cream now.
Hello.
I don't know why it's really cold, but I'm craving ice cream. Let's get ice cream.
Hello.
Hello.
Ready for Grandma's coochie?
Hey guys, we're trying to convince Krista to vlog, but she won't do it. What you guys don't know is that Krista was an actress and she is a singer. And she does a lot of hosting. So I've been trying to get her to vlog, but she won't do it.
I don't know. He's doing a good number on me, convincing me. Our first episode is Aaliyah's diaper change.
Oh man, oh no. The gains are gone for sure.
Say Papa.
No.
You want my ice cream? Try my ice cream.
She wants the spoon. I told you guys.
No.
You want my ice cream?
No.
Say Papa.
Oh, open wide. Oh no, she did watch me eat your.
Definitely going like that now.
Parent life.
Running around.
So most of my friends are married and pretty much with kids. I've seen a lot of diapers this week.
I'm learning. A lot of breasts and pumps and things that look like nipples.
You're normal.
I think I'm gonna buy a few years and borrow babies for now. Right, Aaliyah? Yeah.
I'm holding her like a ghetto baby.
Yeah.
Boom! What's up, guys? We are back in my office editing the vlog, like always, in the mornings as fast as I can for our daily upload at 1 p.m. every day Pacific time. So if you guys have been watching, super chill day, just kind of hanging out, working as much as we can. A lot of crazy stuff's been going on, so we're just trying to get the daily grind going. And this vlogging is hard. It's not easy. Like, trust me, it's not easy. I'm tired, but I'm committed to you guys. But anyways, peace out. If you guys like what you saw, please hit the like button. It helps share the video to the universe. Love you guys always. Big hugs. Peace out.